So this is like an empty box or an empty variable, and we will store a value into this variable later. And how will we store the value into this variable? With the help of user input. So in the next line I am writing cin for getting the user input into a1. So with the help of this line number 15, whatever value I'll enter, that will be stored into a1. And here with the help of line 17, I'm simply trying to print whatever the value user has entered for a1. So I hope you are very clear with the basic data types, that are integers and float. And now let's move to the next section. Thank you. Hello and welcome to the video lecture on integers and float. This will be around second or third video in the section of variables and data types. So we have discussed about different data types that we can use in C++ and how each variable that you declare in your code has a certain data type. So moving on into the detailed discussion for data types, in this video we are going to see two different data types, that is integer and float. So first, before moving on to the more technical or syntactical discussion of integers and float, let us just have a quick mathematical understanding of what is an integer or what is a float. So usually in mathematics you have a number line. The midpoint or the center of the number line is 0, and on the right hand side of 0 you are having all the positive integers, and on the left hand side of 0 you are having all negative integers. So the entire set of numbers that are present on this number line is basically what we call integers. So here now using this mathematical knowledge of integers into a C++ programming, so we have int keyword that is used to indicate integer type variables in C++. So here I have a very small syntactical example. So let's say we want to declare a variable called salary. So before writing salary we have to use this keyword called int. So if we write int space salary and we assign value 85,000, so what this statement will essentially do is 85,000 will be assigned to a variable called salary, and the data type for this variable salary will be integer. And integer is a fixed keyword, that is 3. So the size for integer type variable will be 4 bytes. Next, meaning we can store values from negative of this number to this 2147 So this is the entire range of values that we can store inside our integer type variable. So I hope you are very clear with what is the integer data type and how do you declare integer data type